Withdrawing money from your PlayStation account after an account review can be straightforward if you follow the right steps. Here's a simple guide to help you through the process. Step 1. Log into your account. Start by logging into your PlayStation account on your console or through the PlayStation website. Make sure you enter the correct credentials to access your account. Step 2. Navigate towards. Once logged in, go to the account settings or profile section. From there, find and select the wallet option to view your account balance and transaction history. Step 3. Check account review status. Before proceeding, check the status of your account review. If your account has been cleared, you should see a notification indicating that you can withdraw funds. Step 4. Select Withdrawal option. In the Wallet section, look for the Withdraw or Transfer Funds option. Click on it to initiate the withdrawal process. You may need to select the amount you wish to withdraw. Step 5. Confirm withdrawal. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. After completing these steps, your withdrawal request should be processed. Keep an eye on your email for confirmation and any updates regarding your funds.